Rightio, we'll see how we get on with this venture. Probably shouldn't be even going out in the water really, because I've got the man flu. I feel like a bucket of hairy arseholes. Don't feel fresh at all, but we're here for a good time, not a long time, so let's not waste it. The pack raft is in the back. The fishing rod is somewhere in there. Got some waders. Got a life jacket. And the truck's just been fixed. Just picked it up from Bowater Toyota in Motueka. Jeez, I spent some money on this unit. But we're down to the Grossi Point to see where we can catch some kahawai. My favourite sashimi fish if you can't get bluefin tuna, which I can't get. Rocket. Rocket. I love rocket. This guy here bought it for me. Did you grow it in your own glasshouse, mate?
Grew it from seed, yeah.
Grew it from seed. Yeah, isn't that cool? Thank you very much, bud. Last time I was at his place, he gave me some bok choy, which is now in the glasshouse. Anyway, I'm going to throw this beast out in the water and hopefully catch fish, because your man here had no joy. Was there anybody else fishing out here, bro? No one at all.
She's all yours.
She's all mine. You might go out again. You will when you see my line bend. So you reckon, obviously Simon reckons you put your back there, eh? I can't see that having great steerage. Oh, it's light, only weighs about 2.5 kg. There's nothing to it, eh? Might see you out there if you...
Yeah, I'll come out.
Oh cool, I'll see you out then. We should have pack raft wars, try and knock each other off. You think you'll win? You're pretty confident. Oh, see how this pans out. Take my trusty hat, keep the sun off. I'm going to put this maybe in these here. What about the rod goes across that? No, that's not going to work. What about down there? And again there. Stick it in there and then under here like that. Gonna stay in there? Yeah. Right, let's try this. I need to go back further. Not bad. Not as fast as a kayak, but it does get along. You can actually go back further. Can paddle around the right way, be a good start. Well, this isn't too bad, not too bad at all. G'day, a few oyster catches, some spoonbills further down, and we are on the other side. That only took about 5 minutes. Too easy. Lighter than a boat. That's cool, very cool. Just carry it. I'm going to go and fish up the point, so that's where I'm going to take it. Yeah, it only weighs about probably 3 kg tops. Pretty low tide. Pretty small tide. Fish still have to feed though. Reaper, our warehouse job, caught my finger, spoon for salmon, And the one that catches the most here is this simple one here. Well, that's a bit light. That's my new sport icky stick, some good bastard sent to me. Right, let's do some fishing. Here comes Jason. That gets a lot faster than mine, mate. That's way faster than my pack raft, eh? It was stable, but nowhere near the speed you're moving. You got a fish on? Oh, bugger. Okay. You got a fish on? Fucking hey, good going. I'll grab that and you grab your... You want to take it or you... Right. Okay. What's called? It's gone there, goes here, look. Jeez, mate. Yeah. I'll take this. I've only got one hand, I'm holding the camera. Yeah. Okay. Get him in. It's alright. It's an eater, mate. Yeah, don't lose him. Just keep going. Go on, snag. Snag. Okay. Jeez. I told you that there, eh?
Yeah, man. Averages, eh?
Go this size. Keep going, buddy. Cool. That was a bit of fun. Nice, we'll get this one on the beach. This is what happens when you invite a bloody trout guy to come fishing with you, see? Catches everything. Is your reel giving you some grief? Not a bad fish, man, you can see in the angle. Not a bad fish at all. You haven't got him in there, you know? Yeah, he's going good. Shit, yeah, man, look at that. That's a beauty. I'll get that bastard in. Shit, yeah, look at him. He's gonna run. He's gonna run, guaranteed. He's gonna take off, bet you. How does it feel on there? Good fish, eh? He's not in yet, but you can try and jump him. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, no, that's a good fish. Hell yeah. Beauty. Oh, yeah. No, he's gonna have a... Oh, he's a good fish. You can see him in the water. Shit, he's a cracker, mate. There he goes. I told you he's gonna run. He's taking it, man. He's taking it. Woohoo! Oh, man. This is a good one. Yeah. Nice. He's not in yet, bro. He's a good fish, man. He's gonna go again. He's nearly fully get us. Oh, you lost him! You lost him! Oh, shit! Oh, I got sore guts from laughing. Sorry, I'm laughing, man. I know how bad that feels. That was a good fish. Bro, how's the lure looking? It's all good. Mate, I use one of those. That's why you're hitting. I'm using the wrong one. Ah, good going. That was a good fish to lose, bro. Oh, good fun, eh? Good fun. That was a buzz. Now, that's a good one too, bro. That's a good one. Look at that. Yeah. Hell yeah. Want to try and keep him on. Jeez, he's some good fish out here, bud. Stay on you. Oh, yes. He's a beauty. He's a good one. Oh, I lost him. Fuck. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Now he's laughing at me. Now Jason's laughing at me. Oh, that was a good fish. But Jason's got a fish on the other side there. And he's now got his he's right up on the beach. He's playing it. It's a good one too. So it's ebb tide right now, right on the turn. So doing a bit of fishing just off my little pack raft. The wind's kind of blowing me one way and the tide's pulling me another, keeping me pretty central. And nothing landed. Jason's had a lot more luck than me today, that's for sure. More power to him too, good on him. Oh, I've got some fish in the fridge to eat if I don't catch anything. I had a good one on, but I lost him. That's the nature of fishing. It's bloody nice just sitting out here. It's a handy little pack raft this. I'll be carrying this around the country with me for different things. John, not a big one, but we got one on. Thing is, are we going to keep it on? This is interesting. It's coming in fast. Woohoo! Oh, stay on, mate. Stay on, mate. Or maybe it's bigger than I thought it was. Yeah, it's taking me round and round. Woo! Oh no, it is bigger than I thought it was. Yeah, definitely. Oh mate, stay on, stay on. Jeez. Yeah, there we go. Beauty. Oh yeah, nice. Well, I finally did it. A lot of hard work, and there he goes. Not a massive fish, but a fish. That was fun. Gonna blood my icky knife. First time. Icky Jimmy, dead. We're going to get this. Telephone ringing. Mental note, turn telephone off when fishing. Rightio, carry on with this. Where was I? I was just going to actually see whether it was a male or a female. I think it's a male. And there's the guts, obviously. And there's the milk there. Yep, it's a male fish. Nice wee one, nice size, nice eating size. Those ones not too dry. Be really nice sashimi that. Beautiful. It's the heart. Not for you, Bruno. Not for you, mate. No, no. Not for you. Where you go? So this is a fish I caught a couple of days ago, and it's been sitting in the fridge. It's a wee bit cold. It's almost frozen. I would have liked it a bit sort of softer, but the reason I've let it sit in the fridge a couple of days is so the oil goes through the fish, and that's what you want if you're going to sashimi your fish. And I'm just going to have one side, and Bruno's licking his lips trying to get on the act, but he's not going to have any. I'm going to take this down to about, I'm going to go right full to the end, about to there. flip it over, clean the knife there, the fish right to the edge, and take this nice, beautiful fillet off. I'm going to leave behind the skin. There she goes. So, going to make the sashimi. I'm going to take the other side off too, because we're going to give Bruno the head. Fish is really good for dogs, and I like to feed my dogs egg and fish and all the good stuff. He loves Kauai Bruno, it's one of his favourite fish. Got that one off nicely, a bit better than the other one. Oh yeah, looks good. Then we're gonna, the skin's gonna stay behind. Bit of blood on it, that's alright. Bruno. He loves the skins, don't you boy, eh? Eat it. There you go. There you go. Not for you guys. Is it okay for you to hold dead fish, being a vegetarian?
Okay, here we go.
Oh, you eat fish, don't you?
Yeah, I eat fish.
Yeah, give B the head.
Okay.
And Poe the frame, and the other dogs won't have any.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to run them? Or...
Yeah, just let me eat that first, mate. Thank you. Awesome. Keep away from my fish. Pick up! I was only going to eat 2 fillets, but I'm actually really hungry, so I'm going to eat the whole lot tonight. Put a rope on B if you can there. Thanks, mate. My favourite time of day. Sun's just going down. Check it out. We've got the real wasabi and we've got the fake stuff and a bit of soy sauce. Hey, thanks a heap for joining me on this fishing video. I am breaking my fast with just fish today. That's all I'm eating. And yes, I'm dribbling while I'm talking to you. We've got the real wasabi on the kahawai and some soy sauce, and how is it? Can't talk. Words just don't get close to describing how delicious this really is. If you icky it right, if you do the icky jimmy where you go down the head of the fish, it will even be better. I still haven't got that down yet. That's where you put the wire down inside the nervous system of the fish. This here is just, I'm actually just can't talk, sorry. First food in 24 hours, my God, that is so good. Oh, people talk about what heaven is, you know, heaven and hell, and you know, I don't know what happens after you die, but what I know is about in this life that sometimes here on earth life can be hell. It can be hell sometimes, but other times it's just heaven, and this is heaven. And you know, when you think about it, if it was good all the time, it wouldn't be good. Does that make any sense? I mean, because I eat once a day, when I eat, I just love it so much. But if I was eating all day, I'd be fat and I wouldn't be enjoying it. It's like anything, balance, I guess. Some would argue my life's out of balance and that you should eat 3 meals a day, but, well, each to their own. Live and let live. This is how to enjoy food. Be hungry when you eat it. I am going to eat that entire fish because I've just got through the first quarter of it and I'm not even touching the sides. Healthy, delicious, fun to catch. Hey, thank you very much for still being with me on this video, making it to the end. Thank you, and joining me in my day. I appreciate you coming along for the ride, and hope to see you again on here. Who knows what's going to happen next? It's always an adventure. Good luck with your own fishing, cooking, hunting, however you're getting your food, whatever you're doing out there, you know, whatever it is. You might be doing something completely different. You might be growing fish. People do. They farm them. You might be buying them from a place that's really good value, or you might be trading some meat for fish. However you're doing it, good luck sourcing it and getting that really good nutrition for yourself and the ones you love. And be good. Can't be good, be careful. We'll see you in the next one. I love this place, eh? I just love it. I'm still not living in there yet, but it's not far away. Just need a painter and something on the floor. Oh, it's good.